Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be making car magnets with vinyl, but I'm going to be using the Cameo 4 cutter. And the reason I'm going to be using this Cameo cutter is because I love challenge, of course. And second, to show you what you can make with a small vinyl cutter. First thing you're going to need will be a computer. We got the Asus laptop. Second, you're going to need a vinyl cutter. We got the Cameo 4, which we're going to be using this time, not that one. And of course, you're gonna need some vinyl. We got the Oracle 651, Clear Choice AT75 for the tape. And you're gonna need some magnets. We usually get it in a big roll, so you gotta cut it accordingly. And all the tools, like the safety ruler and the cutting mat, all the links will be in the description of the video. Thank you so much for supporting our channel. All right, guys, I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I don't know how to use this equipment. I'm not familiar with Silhouette Studio. So I'm gonna be doing some things wrong, but just go easy on me, okay? But anyway, but that's the cool thing about being an entrepreneur, that you learn along the way. You're not waiting for all the lights to be green. Okay, and I use CorelDRAW to vectorize my images. I'm gonna make a copy just in case I need to go back to the original. And I'm gonna bring it to another window so I can convert it to PNG without any background. And this is what it's going to look before I cut it. And I'm gonna save it so I can bring it to Silhouette Studio. And this is what it looks like without any background. And I'm gonna merge it. I have the free version of Silhouette Studio because I do not really use the Cameo cutter. I know that my sticker is gonna be a little bit long, so I gotta pre-feed it like I usually do with the graph deck. I'm using a roll, and I'm not gonna use the cutting mat for this machine. And I think it looks good there. All right, guys, I had to do an update on the firmware or something. Hopefully it'll work. We'll see. You can also make banners, stickers, wall stickers, glass edging, t-shirts, yard signs, car magnets. And this is a very affordable machine. It's under $500 after, of course, after you have the computer. And I'm not really familiar with Silhouette Studio, but I know they have a version where you pay. But I'm not familiar with it because I use CorelDRAW to vectorize the images. Okay, I got my wooden boxes, and it looks good right now. But before I send another sticker, I gotta make sure that it weeds out correctly. And I'm gonna start off with the letters. I obviously did something wrong with the blade. I don't know what it is. It works, it's coming out okay, not really clean. And another point that I'm trying to prove here, as someone mentioned, someone saw one of our videos, and the person said that, whoa, 3 people working that sign. I mean, not all the time. Like today, it's just I'm by myself recording, cutting, doing everything. But it's not like we always have 3 people. I mean, if you happen to have extra help, which is nice. Hey, besides, it's not my fault that I was born in a Mexican family where, you know, I got a big family. Okay, now this is going to be the challenge. I'm gonna put the tape by myself. I'm just joking, okay, about those comments, but since we uploaded the first video, I knew that we weren't gonna please everybody, but I'm not making these videos for them. I'm actually making them for the people that appreciate them, and that's the only reason I'm making these videos. And I'm just gonna use the black vinyl as my reference point and take the measurements, of course, like we usually do. Make sure they're straight. I'm just gonna put something on top so the sticker doesn't move around. Just to use a huge tape. As you already know, I'm gonna use the rapid tag to do the installation. Okay, it's been a minute. Now I can remove the masking tape or the transferring tape, and I'm gonna start from this side here. Perfect. Okay, now I can start adding the other colors. Alright guys, I finally got done with the project, and the magnet that I made is 24 by 18, and I used the Cameo 4 cutter to make it. If someone asked me if I recommend this machine, I would if I wanted to start the business right away. But if I could wait, I would save money and put it on the side where I wouldn't touch it to get the graphic or the roll-on. But if you want to start right away, it is a good machine. I do recommend it. I got a few materials here that I wanted to show you, or a few tools that you should consider getting. We got goof off adhesive remover. When you remove all stickers, there's some adhesive left over, and this will get rid of that. Up here we got the blue tape, and this is the best tape that you can use when you're working on nicer cars, and or when the paint is coming off. Make sure you use this one. This one's a lot softer on the paint. Okay, and what I got right here is the cutting knife, and the reason we use this is so we don't damage the paint of the car, because the blade is covered in plastic. You can also use magnets. What we do, we just place them on the sides of the stickers and just reposition it whenever you are taking the measurements, and that way you don't use tape, because sometimes it's hard to take it off. But anyways, you should definitely consider getting this. And what I have right here is a tool bag where you can put all the tools, and it's really handy. You should consider getting it. If you want to get it, there are going to be some links in the description of the video, and if you get anything through those, you'll be supporting our channel. Thank you so much. See you guys until the next video. Give us a like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Hasta luego.